Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to reactivate your account for security officials. Security officials that have multiple organizations must log into each organization every 90 days to stay active. To view your inactive accounts, go to your name on the top right-hand corner of the page. Select My Profile. Now you will see all of the organizations you are an SO for. Scroll through the list to see which accounts are inactive. To activate the accounts, go to the Change Organization button. Select the facility that is inactive from the drop-down option. Once the organization name has changed, select the blue Change Organization button to the right. This will not activate your account. Please note that you will not see a change to the status until the following day. You will need to do this process for each account that is inactive. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.